taking measurements with the Lenstar. With the correct patient selected, click on the Biometry icon to begin the measuring process. The user guidance in the middle of the measurement screen will guide you through the measurement process. The complete measurement process is controlled by clicking on the joystick button of the cross slide. The user can click here to select the scan measuring mode, based on the patient's lens and vitreous body status. Create a convenient sitting position for the patient, by adjusting the table or chair, and headrest height to get the eyes aligned with the black canvas lines on the headrest columns. Press the button on the joystick to proceed. If you are using the T-cone topography add-on with the Lenstar, to prevent contact with the tip of a T-cone, ask the patient to rotate their head in the headrest slightly. To the left for the measurement of the right eye, and to the right to measure the left eye. The rotation should only be in the range of 10 to 15 degrees. When the operator sees a live image of the patient's eye, or test bar as seen here, ask the patient to look straight into the red blinking light. Always start with the Lenstar pulled away from the patient. Next, move the Lenstar slowly forward and adjust the position until you can see 2 rings of 16 markers. When each of them is in focus, make sure the central reflex of the measurement beam is centered in the crosshairs. It is easiest to adjust the position of the device if you hold the joystick straight with one hand, and manipulate the base position with the other. Press the button on the joystick to proceed. Next, make a precision adjustment using the joystick. A positioning aid will be displayed in the form of 2 semicircular segments. Each will be bisected by a thin dark line. Continue to focus until the dividing line is clearly displayed. It will never come fully into focus. When you have reached the measuring position, a green circle will appear. Vectors will point to the direction in which you should move the device in order to reach the center of the measuring area. You can start the measuring process by pressing the joystick button. The display will switch back to the 16 marker points and the measurement will begin. Repeat the measurement procedure until you have reached the desired number of measurements per eye. We recommend a minimum of 5. To start a repetitive measurement, simply press the button on the joystick again. If the button is pressed within 10 seconds after a measurement is finished, the procedure for the repetitive measurement begins with a zoomed view, and only one more click is required to start data acquisition. If neither the Lenstar nor the patient has moved between measurements, this will improve the measurement speed. In order to maintain tear film integrity, remember to ask the patient to blink between measurements. Click on Finish to end the session.